Guys, welcome back to Good Show Tips, and in this video I'm going to talk about how to fix if your touch screen is not working on your Android devices and how to fix this up. So let's get started. So first thing what you have to do is when you're having this trouble, you have to make sure that you just have to clean your Android with any cottons or something, or you'll be having these kind of materials available. So you just have to clean by turning off your Android devices, because sometimes due to the dirts as well as some non-polluted substance which used to be here on the screen, which we use daily our Android devices, there will be some kind of trouble. So I request you just have to clean with these kind of cotton devices. This is actually not cotton, this is a special one where you have to use respective liquid and you just have to clean. And once it is cleaned, you have to check whether the issue is solved or not. And if it's not working, then we have solution number 2. So solution number 2 is sometimes due to the some issues, it can be many things, and one of the very important issues sometimes due to the screen protectors which you use for your Android devices, they might be having some kind of issues, or there might be a long time you have installed it up. So you just have to remove the screen protector by meeting with an expert, and you have to see whether you are having an issue or not, because sometimes by removing the screen protector and using a new one will be fixing the issue, and you have to try that out. And the last and the least solution which I would like to make you notice is that you just have to restart your Android devices and see whether the issue is solved or not. By doing a simple restart, in most probably that used to be fixed most of the issues, and you have to see, and even if after trying out the restart, and you have to check whether you are having any kind of issues, like whether the phone is fallen from your bare hands, or you have to check whether you have any kind of such issues are there. You have to cross check. So if your phone is used by someone else, like your nephews or your brothers or sisters, you just have to ask them, and you have to see whether what's this issue over there. So these are the basics which you have to try out when your Android screen is not working and you're having some kind of touch problems. So this is how you can fix this up. And even after trying all these 4 steps and still it's not working, then I better suggest you have to meet an expert and you have to talk to them, and you have to get help from the technician, and most probably they'll be helping you out. And I hope this video is helpful, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notification. See you soon in the next video. Peace out.